back. You're still watching SA Today. The National Prosecuting Authority, the NPA, says that it will still decide in which province former ANC Western Cape chairperson Marius Fransman will stand trial. The NPA has decided to institute criminal proceedings against Fransman on charges relating to sexual assault allegations made by his former personal assistant, Louisa Wynand. Fransman is facing 1 count of sexual assault and 2 of crimen injuria.
The alleged assault happened in a Kimberley hotel in 2016. That's when Fransman and his entourage were en route to the ANC's January 8th celebrations in the Northwest. In May that year, the NPA dropped the charges, citing lack of evidence. But Fransman's lawyers have now been informed that he now faces prosecution.
In December 2017, the DPP in Kimberley approached the national office to make them aware of the decision that he was intending to take with regard to that matter, which is the decision to prosecute. But yesterday, the national office gave the DPP in Kimberley a go-ahead to prosecute in the matter, so Mr. Fransman was informed of the decision.
Wynand disclosed the name to the media in 2016. The alleged incident happened at a hotel here in Kimberley. The charge was laid in Northwest, but he and Wynand lives in the Western Cape. A decision will now have to be taken in which of the 3 provinces he will stand trial. Wynand is relieved with the latest sequence of events.
Louisa is very relieved. This for her, the first thing she said when I spoke to her yesterday in preparation for the statement was that this is 1 step closer to reaching finalization, because as you can imagine, this incident has been haunting her for almost 3 years. So it's been coming on for quite some time.
The ANC in the Western Cape says the law must take its course.
We haven't heard the news officially, but you should know that the ANC itself has investigated the allegations made against Mr. Fransman, and as a result of that investigation, Mr. Fransman's membership was suspended for 5 years. We would want the process to follow its course. As they said, the law must follow its course, and we hope that in the end, whatever needs to be decided will be decided by a court of law, so that Mr. Fransman too can get this behind him, as well as the person who laid the charges against him.
The NPA says Fransman will likely only appear in court next year. Reginald Witbooi, SABC News, Kimberley.